I have been delaying getting off the pill for about 5 years, and I've been on it for 10 years just because I was so scared my skin was going to go bad, because my skin was horrific, and that's why the doctors put me on the pill. But this was 10 years ago. And I feel like there's just no information really on here of people talking about their experience, and if this can help just one person save them spending all the money, that's worth it to me. The main sort of areas that they discuss was supplements, my food, reducing stress, breathing, like doing breath work, and meditation and yoga. Also, this is a natural approach because I didn't want to go on Roaccutane or doxycycline because I've already been on them for so many years when I was younger, and I'd rather just fix the actual issue that's causing these things instead of just masking it with another pill. So firstly, they gave me these supplements. So I'm going off the pill in 3 weeks, so I'm going to take these supplements 3 weeks before, to just so I don't go cold turkey, to slowly like progress into going off the pill, like to prepare my body. The first thing that they highly recommend is I wrote it on here, but it's Biome Acne Probiotic. That's the brand. And they said to add 1 capsule at night during your period to your moisturizer, and just leave that on like the flared up spots. The second one was to reduce stress, and I have to take 2 of these Harmony Natural Woman's Health tablets in the morning with food. And keep in mind, all of these are natural, as I said before. Like, oh, if you can kind of see, I don't know if that would be backwards, but all natural approaches. This one is really random because it's actually meant for men to reduce testosterone, but they've done studies in it, and that it's found to be really good for acne and like gut. And it has zinc palmitote. Apparently that's a new thing that's really good. And you're meant to have this 2 a day in the morning and night with food. This is it. I'll also attach at the bottom of this video like a bit more about these, so you can choose what kind of fits you. But a huge thing to support hormones and like your skin is having omega-3. So I'm meant to have 4 of these a day for the first 2 months of like this journey, and then it'll probably be reduced to like 1 or 2 a day. But that's the brand, and I got it all off Vitally, which is this brand, just all online, and it was delivered in 2 days.